Hello, guys. A change of scenery, but I want to talk about how to not waste your summer vacation, which is something I did. I did waste my summer vacations often for the last couple of years. So during the school year, I had these big plans, or like I had these ideas. Oh, I could go on this adventure. I could learn something new. I could start a new project. But when it came down to it, and the vacation came around, these plans just became mere thoughts, and instead I was doom scrolling and just isolating myself in my room, which is something we've talked about before in this channel, on this channel. And yeah, of course I felt really depressed because I've wasted so much time, so many summer vacations, or vacations in general. It doesn't have to be just a summer vacation. But yeah, now I regret my actions, or rather inaction, actually. And I want you guys to not waste your summer vacations. So I'm going to outline 3 steps to help you not waste your summer vacation. First, let's make a list. Make a list of things you would like to do, like to learn, or like to try out. You could categorize it, make, let's say, adventures, some creative things, and then physical challenges, creative things. Creative things, or let's start with adventures. Go on a camping trip, go on a hike, go on a bike tour, or a backpacking trip. Then for creative challenges or creative things you could do, learn art, learn woodworking, learn or start your own podcast, start your own YouTube channel. Pick things that you want to do. Don't pick things that other people are doing. Just pick things you want to do, you actually want to do. And have physical challenges. These are some cliches, but do a triathlon, do a marathon, um, maybe walk across a country, which is something I've thought about. Mm, learn a martial art, pick up climbing or bouldering, which is something I also did, which is fun. You should check it out. You should go do it, try it out. Only if you want that, of course. Then, if you have the list, now it's time to limit your internet usage or your time spent on the internet and isolating yourself. Now, this is something we've talked about before on the channel. So, for the people that tend to isolate themselves, it's easy to kind of crawl back into that self isolation because it's kind of comfortable. Yeah, it's kind of running away from fears, anxiety. But at the end of the day, you'll regret it. And yeah, I want you to avoid regretting your decisions. And there's one quote that I want to reference here. Action is the antidote of despair, by Joan Baez. I hope I'm saying the name correctly. But yeah, take action, go do something. Don't isolate yourself. Don't just doom scroll. Make it your number one goal, or make it a big goal that you should experience life. So go do things and socialize. So put yourself out there and go do stuff. Meet new people, experience new things. Make that a big goal, and it's going to change a lot, honestly. Especially if you tend to isolate yourself and waste your time doom scrolling or such things, like watching YouTube videos all day. Yeah. So after you've done that, made it a big goal, then don't wait around, but take initiative. You should actively go out and create good times. Yeah, the good times don't just come to you. You have to create them, or you have to go to them. So yeah, go to events you would like to go to. go do things you would like to do. And then let's say you want to go do something with friends, but maybe they're not planning anything, or yeah, they're not planning the things you want to do. Like, let's say you want to go camping and no one is suggesting that, then take the lead, plan a camping trip, and ask your friends to go with you. Because you can't always wait around on people. Otherwise, you might not do a lot of things. And then it's good that you take the lead. You can create the adventure you want or the experience you want and take your friends along with you. Now, sometimes they might not want to go, which then you have to go do it alone. And that might be scary, but you know, do you want to do it or do you want to just let it pass? That's something for you to decide. So plan something out, take initiative. If others are not taking initiative to go do something you want to do. Then I want to kind of end with a quote. Your life is your ship and you're the captain. Choose your course, take the wheel firmly, and get on your way, by Michael Josephson. I hope you go make the most out of your vacation, and I hope you take action. Don't let this be another video you mindlessly consume. So yeah, make the best out of it and go experience life. That's it. See you in the next video.